Hi kids, I'm Shaheen. I'm the creator of Red Barn Heroes. Red Barn Heroes? What's that? Well, it's a show about a barn. Is it red in color? Yeah. And it has lovely animals in it. Don't you love animals, kids? What are these animals? Farm animals, yes. And I'll tell you how these farm animals become superheroes. Yes, this show is about farm superheroes. Here, I have some stickers with me. So kids, in this show, we have a kid farmer called Joey. And Joey here loves to collect stickers. Yeah, and one fine day, he collects magical stickers and he puts them up on the walls of the barn tree house. Absolutely, yeah. So here, we have a cow, right? And it has a bell. Our superhero cow is called Cowie. So there we go. And then this show has a horse there, and the horse is called Dado. And then we have a pig in this show. This pig has got wings, and this pig is called Bindo. Absolutely, there. And then we've got a sheep. Yes, a fun sheep in the show. But in the show, the sheep is blue, not white. And there, Joey puts the sticker on the barn tree house like that. And then we've got a rooster. Yeah, we've got the rooster, and that is our fifth superhero, the rooster. And then our final superhero is Quack Quack. Yeah, who does quack quack? A duck. We have a duck. And that's how Joey puts up stickers, magical stickers, remember, on the walls of the barn tree house at the super farm. And that gives life to the farm superheroes called the Red Barn Heroes. Now kids, to ignite your imagination and to make you actually see these superheroes come to life, I've created an animated video. So here, check out this animated video and have fun with the Red Barn Heroes. And kids, don't forget, you've all got superpowers, some unique quality, a special talent inside you waiting to shine. So watch this video and get inspired, and don't forget to tell your mom and dad to subscribe to this channel. Unboxing the Red Barn Heroes. Ta-da! Welcome to the Red Barn Heroes world. A super farm in the lush hills of a fantasy land with a magical barn treehouse. At this super farm lives Joey, our cute little farm boy who loves to collect apples and stickers. Don't we all love stickers, kids? Once upon a time, in his lookout for stickers, Joey found magical farm stickers. He put them up on the walls of the barn treehouse. And voila! The Red Barn Heroes were born. It's a sunny day at the farm, and look, our superhero farm animals are out to play. Super Sheep loves sliding down the big red slide. Super Duck is swinging away happily. Oh wow! And look at Super Rooster. He's jumping up and down the trampoline so high. Don't you love jumping up and down too, kids? At this super farm also lives a beautiful green tractor, Lucy. Joey loves to sit on Lucy and ride around the farm. Lucy loves to smile and talk with her eyes. Oh no, Lucy looks worried. Who's that in the sky? It is Gander the goose. This mischievous goose wants to take over the farm. With its big, strong wings, Gander the goose is very good at flying and attacking. The goose is coming for a big farm attack. It seems like something adventurous is going to happen on the super farm. Ready for some adventure with the Red Barn Heroes, kids? Then let's get started.